1970 Buick LeSabre. Putting in a new transmission. Further progress today. Still got my safety chain in place, even though I'm blocked up. And everything on this side of the transmission has been installed. Detent cable, transmission lines, which I did blow them out with air before hooking them up. That's part of the routine when you put in a new transmission. And then vacuum modulator ready to go. New filter under that pan. My new torque converter. And I still need to pull the engine hoist out of the way, but that's all right. I thought I might use it, but I haven't. But still could. I haven't got my cross member in yet. All the weight's being supported by that, which is okay. It's doing good. Leaves me plenty of room up there. In fact, I think it's pretty much sitting exactly like it would be after the cross member's in. Haven't hooked up the linkage yet. It's in park right now. The transmission is. Can't move this. We're in park. So speedometer cable's hooked up, but it's not going to do anything except I put it in there to seal it so the transmission doesn't leak. Speedometer only goes to 120, so unless I want to switch over to digital, getting that working again really isn't necessary. Not that I'm planning on going any faster than that right now, but this car has gone faster than 120. That's how I broke the needle off. I usually keep those underneath the car so you don't step on them and go for a ride. Nothing really new here, but I sure like them chrome valve covers, I guess. Oldsmobile 350. 4-barrel carburetor, 4-barrel intake manifold. I was wondering what these 4 bolts are for. That's to hold the fan on. I guess I solved that problem. These are for the torque converter right there. Some of these won't be used. I replaced quite a few of these with the new ones. In fact, I replaced all of them with new ones. So that looks like a fairly new one right there. Maybe use that to hold in the transmission dipstick tube. This is kind of a special lubricant. It was recommended by a book I read when I was doing a transmission one day, so that's how I bought that. So we're getting fairly close. I got a checklist here. I'm using cross members up next, torque converter bolts, driveline exhaust. I found a hole in the floor. I haven't decided whether to fix it from the top or the bottom. I was going to order new floor pans when I had money one day, but that was during the pandemic, and they said they couldn't get those, even though they were listed on their website. So I guess that's about it for today. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.